kids, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now today we learn EVS, and in EVS we learn about the mountains. What? We learn about the mountains. Okay, mountain is a raised area from the surrounding land. मतलब कि आसपास की जो लैंड होती है उससे जो एरिया है ऊपर उठा हुआ होता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? माउंटेन. क्या कहते हैं उसे? माउंटेन. दैट इज कॉल्ड माउंटेन. हायर देन द सराउंडिंग एरियाज ऑफ द लैंड. लैंड फ्लैट होती है लेकिन उससे जो एरिया ऊपर उठा हुआ होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड mountain. Okay, so now you have might be a question that how that mountain formed. mountain बनता कैसे है, ये भी क्वेश्चन आपको आया होगा. so I will tell you that how mountain forms. mountain formed by volcanic activity. the other thing is the huge area of land. एक लैंड का एरिया होता है अर्थ के सरफेस के ऊपर, that called tectonic plate. टेक्टोनिक प्लेट वर्ड में हम नहीं जाएंगे. दैट इज टेक्टोनिक प्लेट सिचुएटेड इन अर्थ सरफेस. लेकिन सिंपल फॉर्म में अगर मुझे आपको समझाना है देन आई वुड से दैट इट इज़ अ ह्यूज एरिया ऑफ टू लैंड्स व्हेन हीट टुगेदर. ओके, वो जब एक दूसरे के साथ टकराते हैं या ऊपर नीचे होते हैं देन द माउंटेन फॉर्म. ओके, when the huge area of two land hit together then the mountain formed. and दूसरा मैंने क्या बताया था? volcanic activity. okay, so this way mountain formed. now there are three types of mountains. one is block mountain, second is fault mountain, and the third is volcanic mountain. okay, so how many types of mountains? Three types of mountains are there. okay, now I will tell you some interesting thing about the mountains. okay, so mountains are covered the earth 20% of the surface. 20% हिस्सा पूरे अर्थ का माउंटेन ने कवर किया हुआ है. देन ऑल द मेजर रिवर्स, मतलब कि जितनी सारी बड़ी नदियाँ हैं दैट ऑल आर फेड अप फ्रॉम द माउंटेन्स. माउंटेन्स में से जो पानी आता है, बारिश होती है व्हेन द रेन कम्स एंड वहाँ से जो पानी आता है उससे हमारी जो सारी मेजर रिवर्स है दैट फेड बाय द माउंटेन्स. एंड द another interesting things about the mountain is that mountains are the source of half of the fresh water on the earth. half of the fresh water जो है हमारे अर्थ में that comes from the mountain. so these are all about the mountains. now might be you have some question that what kind of plants we can see on the mountain. So on the mountain we can see pine tree, oak tree, apple tree, strawberries. So these all are the trees. you can find many more other trees are there, but I have just give some few example. okay, so these trees on the mountain. Do you know that what kind of trees do you find on the mountain and hills? They are different from our trees. whatever trees we can see surrounding our area that are different, and we can found a different trees on the mountains. जो trees होते हैं वो क्या कहलाते हैं? coniferous. they are sharp from the top and steep side. मतलब कि माउंटेन में जैसा शेप आपने देखा है कि वो ऊपर से कैसा होता है? शार्प होता है, और साइड उसकी कैसी होती है? स्टीप होती है. राइट, सो ट्रीज भी वहाँ पर मोस्टली वैसे ही ग्रो होते हैं बिकॉज सम माउंटेन्स आर वेरी हाई फ्रॉम द लैंड. राइट, सो वो जितने ऊपर जाएंगे उतनी हवा कैसी होगी? कूल. so that means that peak of that mountains covered with the snow, because not only mountains are not only one type, that like you can see some rocks and soils and trees and anything. Some mountains covered with the snow also. जो जहाँ snowy mountains होते हैं वहाँ पर ट्री कैसे होते हैं? कॉनिफेरस ट्री होते हैं. और कॉनिफेरस ट्री क्या हेल्प करते हैं? बिकॉज व्हेन द स्नो फॉल दैट स्नो कम्स डाउन डायरेक्टली. वो ना कहीं पर वहाँ पर स्टिक होके नहीं रहते हैं. अगर वो स्टिक होके रहेंगे तो वी कैन नॉट सी डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ट्रीज एंड द माउंटेन. सो वहाँ पर फिर हमें पता नहीं चलेगा ट्रीज कहाँ पर है. तो एकदम इजीली अच्छे से स्नो नीचे गिर जाता है. वो लीव्स ऐसे होते हैं उसकी वजह से. तो माउंटेन में जो ट्री हम मिलते हैं देखने को, उसमें what kind of leaves are there? Coniferous leaves are there, right? So because of that, snow slopes easily down. Understand? Right? Now talking about the animals. What animals do we see on the mountains? Then that is bear, bison, yak, panda, etc. So these animals we can found on the mountain. So these are all about the mountains. Now one more interesting thing is that the highest mountain peak. Now might be you have the question, what is peak? Have you seen mountain, right? How the mountain look like? It like this. So from the top part is, it should be round or might be it sharp. So that sharp or that round part called peak. So the highest mountain peak in the world, it is Mount Everest. Which is the highest mountain peak? Mount Everest. So that is the highest mountain peak. Now talking about the range. What is range? Ranges are, because ranges are the group of mountain. And one thing I will tell you, mountain rarely found in alone. Always mountains are in group, and group of mountains are called mountain ranges. Okay? So the longest mountain ranges are the Himalaya mountain ranges. Okay, one more thing I wanted to ask you about the mountains. That do all the mountains you can find on the land only? Do you know? No, not you can find all the mountains on the land only. There are mountains under the sea also. Yes, there are so many mountains are under the sea also. Yes, not only on the land. And one example I will give you, that from that mountain so many islands are also there on that mountain. And one example that I wanted to give you, that is Hawaii. Hawaii island is situated on one of the mountain. Yes, under the sea there are mountain ranges, so many. More than on the land. Land के ऊपर जितने mountain है ना, उससे भी ज़्यादा under the sea, ocean में mountains है. Yes, it's a fact. Yes. And what is that? One island है Hawaii. I'm just giving example. One Hawaii island situated on the mountain which is under the sea. Okay. So these are all about the mountains. Do you understand? Very good. Now after mountains, we learn about the hills. So there is a difference between mountains and hills. So what is hill? So hill is the area lower than the mountain. Mountain से जो छोटा होता है area, that is called hills. What it called? Hills. It is higher than the surrounding land but lower than the mountain. Mountain is higher than the hills and hills are lower than the mountain. So lower than the mountains are called hills. Okay? And or we can see hills in India. Karnataka, Kerala, Gujarat, Rajasthan, etc. There are so many places and people are visited that hill station also. So why people are preferring to visit that kind of area? Because when we go up and up, the air is cool. So whenever we feel hot, what we need? We need something that we feel cool, right? So for the vacation, any vacation, what people are prefer to go in where? हिल स्टेशन. यस. सो जो हिल के ऊपर जो एरिया लैंड का जहाँ पर सब लोग रहते हैं वो एरिया हिल स्टेशन कहलाता है एंड दैट एरिया इज कूलर देन द अदर एरिया. दैट्स वाई पीपल आर विजिटिंग हिली एरियाज मोर. Okay, now the plants and animals same like a mountain. See, mountains mein whatever animals you can see, deer, mules, then that big horn sheep, that animals you can see on hills also. And whatever plants grown on the mountains like apple tree, strawberry, pine, oak, coffee, that all plants you can found on hills too. So these are all about the hills. So you understand now? Very good. Thank you. Bye.